It's been running for 30 minutes. The representative at Campbell's Hausfirld recommended let it run for 30 minutes without a load on it to break in the pistons. So we're going to let it cool off now, and then I'm going to change the oil in my gas engine, that spout right there. We're going to hook up that brace. We're going to put the load back on it, and we're going to change the oil in the compressor motor or compressor pump right there, and fire it up and let it run on the load and see how it kicks on and off like it should, and then we'll mount it in the truck later.